Welcome to What Matters to You Today. We bring you the latest news, technology, entertainment and life from around the world. On today's episode, we take a look at some incredible equipment that has reached a new level. Mechanical hedgehog. Hedgehogs may look like clumsy animals, but they're capable of running at 3 meters per second. And this mechanical hedgehog is quite fast, for its size too. The twin-turbo Cummins engine produces 200 horsepower, and it'll be perfect for working in the garden. The machine allows you to prune bushes and trees, for example. It's made in the US, and designed for comfortable and efficient work. The cabin has air conditioning, heating, and air ride seat, and a color LCD monitor. More than some passenger cars. Its performance is also impressive. The maximum cutting height is 10 meters. The blades can reach up to 122 centimeters in length, and can cut even the densest vegetation without any problems. Wood chipper truck. Here's a look at the new, future-oriented generation of chippers. And this feature is quite impressive. The manufacturers have taken the chassis of a Mercedes-Benz RX truck and turned it into a masterpiece. The engine generates 520 horsepower, and the operator sits in an air-conditioned rotating cabin with a 30-centimeter touchscreen. The machine works with logs up to 75 centimeters in diameter, and as a sawdust ejection system with a casting distance of up to 18 meters and a height of up to 6 meters. All of this is combined with a robust Epsilon Q130LD wood crane with a reach of 10.5 meters. And the machine is so easy to handle that only one operator is needed. Mini dump truck. Do you know what these machines are called? They are dumpers, and they're used to transport small quantities of cargo over a short distances. They are essentially maneuverable, mini dump trucks, which will be very useful for builders and warehouse workers. The models in the video comes from Ireland. The ED1000, for example, has an electric motor, 8 hours of operation on a single charge, and a payload of 1 ton. Low noise and zero emissions are important features for many buyers. So demand is high. This Irish dumper has already been acquired by Intel and Regeneron, a pharmaceutical company that's on the Forbes Global 2000 list of the world's largest public companies. Stone remover. Plot cultivation plans are often obstructed by stones that may come to the surface due to drops in soil temperature. In order not to interrupt the work, they must be picked up quickly, and of course, a special machine has been invented for this task. This piece of equipment adapts perfectly to an ATV and removes stones with a diameter of 6 to 50 centimeters with its independent hydraulics. With simple joystick control and a weight of 400 kilograms, this practical, sturdy, and compact machine is very popular with customers. So much so that the Danish engineer who created it lives solely on the profits from the sales. Remote-controlled lawnmower. This Green Climber LV600 remote-controlled lawnmower is for demanding terrain. The manufacturer's right, and they methodically list different figures to prove it. It works on slopes up to 60 degrees, has a 56 horsepower diesel engine, and the remote control works at a distance of up to 305 meters. Still not impressed? On top of that, the mower's tracks extend sideways at the push of a button, growing by 41 centimeters in width. Now even the steepest and toughest terrain will no longer be a problem. And in winter, you can turn the mower into a snow plow. The designers offer a rotor head and a dozer blade. Tie replacer. U.S. railroads stretch over 293,564 kilometers, the equivalent of 33 U.S.-Canadian borders. So a lot of equipment is needed to maintain the tracks. Fortunately, a local company supply it. This ingenious machine is capable of removing and placing wooden and concrete ties, with a force of 10.5 tons. So even old and damaged ties can be removed without any problems. The operator sits in the air-conditioned and heated cabin, with headlights and windshield wipers, as standard. And the clamp extends up to 2.2 meters, enough to remove a tie in one go. universal tow truck from the Netherlands, which will be very popular in other countries of the EU. For example, in Prague alone, authorities plan to raise thousands of dollars from parking fines. So, tow trucks will have plenty of work. The machine's capacity is 2.5 tons, and the boom swivels 45 degrees, both left and right, making it possible to tow cars in the most impossible positions, says the manufacturer. It also features tool drawers, LED lighting, and a remote control with 10 different functions. Hydraulic recycling vacuum bucket. And our selection ends with a very versatile solution. The manufacturers are convinced that it will not only be useful on construction sites, but also in parks, streets, waterfront areas, venues, railways and almost anywhere where trash accumulates on a regular basis. Cleanup can now be accomplished with an excavator, equipped with this advanced bucket. The bucket converts hydraulic power and functions as a vacuum, or blower, effectively taking care of leaves, plastic, wood, insulating material, and other debris. Maximum airflow is 3.4 cubic meters per second, and a special hose can be attached for more precise cleaning. The manufacturer's warranty is 2 years, or 2,000 operating hours. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Join us as we explore what matters to you today, where we bring you the latest news, technology, entertainment, and life from around the world. For more great content, please like, subscribe, and share.